Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to utilize and find the partial discoloration effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. It's going to look like this. And then we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, Nightclub, and then find the partial discoloration effect. Click and drag it down to the timeline. And now we're going to bring it to the beginning of the clip and then elongate it to the end of the clip. And we're going to mess with the filter a little bit. You see, it's a little bit like black and white, but you can still kind of see the colors, right? Like that portion on the bottom right, the colors are changing there. And also kind of like, the bushes on the bottom left corner are also changing. So we're going to click on it and we can mess with the filter of the effect, the strength of it, right? So if I make it stronger, you see the colors are changing, the amount of the effect, the range, and the speed, and also add keyframes to it. So let's check it out. It's kind of giving Alice in Wonderland vibes. Guys, if this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.